So Richard, another MACH, another impressive stand. What have you got on show?
Well, it's another very, very busy year this year. I'm amazed at the footfall. The new layout in the halls have worked very well. It's brought people to all areas of the halls. Very happy with that. So in doing so, we were managing to bring in some new products. The principal three products that we've got on show, which are really new, is the microconic subspindle collet system for sliding head machines, which transforms the subspindle into a very high accurate clamping situation, and you can also use it for overgripping, increases the overgripping capability. The next really exciting product is the new Calibri Jet. This is the slimline application used with high pressure coolant, so you can run high revs, low torque, for small drilling up to 50,000 RPM.
So is that focused for smaller machine tools, sliding heads?
It tends to be focused towards the smaller machines. However, some of the larger machines do not have the speed, so they can do smaller holes on the larger machines by having this adaptation. And on the milling side, it's a relatively new area for us. We've moved more into milling because our subcontractors have a very diverse range of machines. So we have the new Delta program from Elisa of Switzerland, which is high feed, high performance, very, very low heat chip removal.
Being Swiss, can we expect the quality, the precision of a Swiss manufacturer?
I think if I said anything other than that, the Swiss might not be very happy. So clearly it comes with the pedigree. However, we do have products that come from other parts of the world. The Calibri program is Israeli. It's an excellent program. And we have products that come from Spain, Germany, all of excellent quality.
Okay, and you say it's been a good show. Can we expect to see you in 2020?
You certainly will see us in 2020. We'll be back here, probably a very similar format, but hopefully with yet more new product. Thank you.